In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple strategy that you can use to start making money online with Digistore 24 products. So literally, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that you can implement today and start making sales promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You will definitely find them interesting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create a Digistore 24 account. And once you have that created, you are going to be brought over to your dashboard that's going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do from here, as you can see, there are a bunch of categories right here where you can select a product and start promoting right away. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the make money online niche right here. So all I just need to do is click on this internet marketing and e-business. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of products listed under these categories. As you can see right here, there are over 70 products on this category alone. Okay, so you can see this one right here, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matpa, and it's going to pay you 217 Canadian dollars right here. So all you just need to do is to click on this affiliate link right here and you can start promoting right away. Okay, you can see right here, this is also another product right here that's going to pay you $29. And also you can see other products right here. Okay, so the criteria that I use to select a product is I always check the popularity of this product, which is a good indicator of affiliates that are currently making money promoting the product. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you want to choose this product right here. As you can see, it has a 4 out of a 5-star rating, and this one also has the same, and likewise this one right here. So literally this means that these products are making money for affiliates. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm not going to choose this product right here, even though it's going to pay out over $200. It's still quite expensive, so I'm going to be going for a much cheaper product that is also making other affiliates money. As you can see right here, this one is going to pay $29.50. So basically just 4 people a day, and I'm making over $100 already. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on the promote. So once you click on the promote, as you can see, this is my affiliate link right here. Okay, so now the next step and the next thing you want to do is very simple. You want to start promoting this link, and before you do so, you want to give value. Because if you don't give people value, you are not going to make any money. So you want to go over to Google. As you can see, this is a make money online product right here. So you want to go over to Google and you want to type in tips about making money online, which is very related to that product, and giving people who are interested in this niche value before you promote your product. Okay, you can see right here, these are results once you type in tips to make money online or whatever niche you decide to go with. Okay, so now the next step you want to do from here, you want to go over to a new tab and you want to type in sniply.io. Okay, so once you type that, so basically what this website does, it allows you to add a call to action to any link on the internet. As you can see right here, add a call to action to every shortened link you share. So basically I'm going to walk you through how to use this website. So once you come over here, all you just need to do is click on this get started for free. So once you click on the sign up, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can create an account. As you can see right here, you can create an account with Google, Twitter, Facebook, or you can just basically type in your details right here. So for me, I'm just going to sign up with Google. So once you have your account created, everything is going to look like this. As you can see, welcome to your dashboard. You want to click on this got it right here. So the next thing you want to do is very simple, is to come over to Google and you can go through any of these tips right here and you want to pick one of these tips. All right, so what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to pick this one right here, okay, as an example. So I'm going to click on this one right here, which says 37 best ways to make money from home. So all I'm just going to do is copy the link to this article right here and then go back to your dashboard and you want to paste in the link right here. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on create snip. All right, and also once you are creating your account, you want to make sure you give your account a name that is related to whatever product or niche that you are promoting. All right, now what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to type in something that is going to make people want to click on the link. All right, you can type in something like number 1 make money online offer. All right, so you can type in something like learn more. All right, so you can change the click here to learn more, as you can see right here. So basically they'll want to click on this offer right here. All right, as you can see, this is the web page right here. Once they come over to this page, they are going to see this box right here. So the next step you want to do, you want to copy your affiliate link from Digistore 24. So once you click on that, then you want to paste in your affiliate link in this learn more right here. Okay, so now you are just going to change this to this link right here. Okay, so whenever anybody clicks on this learn more, they will be taken to that Digistore product. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on snip. All right, as you can see, your snip link has been created. So if I open the link, as you can see right here, this is the call to action box right here. So if anybody comes to this page, as you can see right here, they get to see this call to action right here, and they click on this learn more right here. So they will be brought to this page right here. Okay, you can see this is the product page right here. You can see all they just need to do is purchase this product right here and you make money. So the next thing you want to do, you want to come over to this website called qrcodegenerator.com. So once you come over to this website, you want to click on this URL right here, and then you want to paste in your Sniply link right here. So I'm going to go back to Sniply real quick. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it right here. So once you do that, it's going to generate a QR code for us. And then you want to click on this download JPG. So as you can see right here, it has downloaded the QR code. So if I open the image, as you can see, this is the QR code right here. So once the code is being scanned, it's going to bring the visitors to this page right here, where they can get access to this product right here. As you can see right here, they are going to get value from this article right here. And once they click on this link, they get taken to the product page. All right, so it's that simple. So once you're done creating the QR code, you want to go over to Canva and you want to create something simple like this. As you can see, 25 secrets that will make you money online. So all you're going to do is very simple. You are basically going to come over to canva.com. It's absolutely free to create an account. And you want to scroll down to this section that says Instagram post. So once you click on that, you will be able to create an image that looks like this. All right. So basically that is all you need to do. So the next step now is to just basically upload the QR code. So you are going to click on upload right here. All right. And I'm just going to upload the QR code, and then I'm going to drag and drop it somewhere at the bottom of the page. All right, so I'm just going to scale it down. All right, so you can see now this is the QR code in the edge of the page. So now what you are going to do is very simple. You want to add another text like this. All right, so you want to type in something simple like scan this code. Okay, you want to go to the element tab and you want to type in arrow right here. So you want to search for arrow right here. So once you do that, you want to basically drop this arrow right here. So I'm going to move this here. And then I'm going to scale this arrow down a little bit. And you want to point this arrow to this QR code right here. Okay. And you want to change the color. So let's give it a blue. All right. As you can see right here. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this share button. And you want to click on this download right here. Okay. You want to make sure you select download as PNG. And then you want to click on download. All right, as you can see right here, it has downloaded. Now I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to this page right here. So you want to go over to Instagram and you want to type in hashtag make money. You are going to see a lot of hashtags that are related to making money online. So basically you want to click on these tags right here. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of posts that are getting engagement on this hashtag right here. As you can see, these are posts that are related to making money online. So now what you want to do is very simple. As you can see, this one is an example right here, making money with affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to click on this post right here. As you can see, this post was made 8 days ago. So you want to come over to the like section. So once you come over to the like section, you can see right here, these people are interested in make money online content. So basically these are the people you want to follow on Instagram. You want to follow those that engage with make money online content. So all you just need to do is very simple. You are going to follow all these people right here. So once you follow all these people, Instagram is going to notify them that you followed them. All right. And once they follow you back, all you just need to do is send them the image you made on Canva. Is that simple. All right. You already know they are interested in making money online. And if they see this image right here, 25 secrets that will make you money online, and they scan this code, they are going to be brought to this page right here where they are going to get value from this article right here. And if they click on this link right here, they are going to be taken to this product page right here. And if some of them purchase this product, you make money. So basically that is how easy you can start driving free targeted traffic using Instagram. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.